Hi everyone, my name is Griselda, also known as Makeup by Griselda, and today I will be showing you how to go from this to this using the Dyson Corrale Holiday Gift Set, which comes with your Corrale, a paddle brush, a detangling comb, and a docking station where you can place your Corrale to charge and extend run time during use. You want to first turn on the Corrale and set it to the desired heat level. I have set it to 410. Brush your hair out with the paddle brush to detangle your hair. Then move on to sectioning your hair to ensure you get a smooth glide. After sectioning your hair, you will go in with the detangling comb before straightening your hair to ensure there are no knots. I really love how this is the only straightener with flexible plates that hold and hug your hair to allow the heat to evenly disperse, which causes less damage. Since I have curly hair, I take smaller sections of hair and slowly glide the Corrale once over each section to straighten. And there you have it, silky smooth straight hair ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.